Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mathematics channel with really interesting challenges every day, and today we have a really interesting question. We have 6 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2. Seems pretty basic, seems pretty easy, however many people are going to get this problem incorrect, so in this video I'm going to fully explain you how can you solve this question correctly. So everyone made this mistake, everyone solved this question absolutely incorrect, so right now choose one option what do you think is correct and write your option down into the comment section. Let's solve this question together and step by step. So first of all I want to show you this first interpretation, because a lot of students solve this question in their own way. So right here we have 6 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2. So one part of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, we have 6 minus 2 right here, which is equal to 4, yeah, and we have 6 minus 2 right here, which is equal to 4. This division in the middle, we have, looks like a correct answer is option B, we have this one, and one part of students solve this question like that. They say a correct answer is option B. Another part of students solve this question in their own way. For example, they start with division somehow right here, so it looks like different approach. So in maths we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, correct property, correct rule. So right now let's solve this question according to a correct order of operation. So it looks like a correct answer is B, but if you look closely to this PIMDMC, and let's solve this question according to this PIMDMC. So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 6 and minus 2. Okay, this PIMDMC works from the top to the bottom, so we should go through the steps real quick. So what is the first step according to PIMDMC? Parentheses, then we evaluate exponent, then evaluate multiplication division group from left to right, and then addition and subtraction. So right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. Parentheses, let's scan where do we have parentheses, because this parenthesis has the highest priority, so also all the time we should start from these parentheses. Okay, so let's do this. So parentheses at first. For me personally, I don't see any parentheses, so we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses. Exponents, what about exponents? Maybe 6 square, maybe 2 cube right here. For me personally, I don't see any exponents, so we just skip this part as well. We don't have any exponent group right here. Multiplication, let's scan multiplication and division group. Where do we have this multiplication or division sign? Let's look at it. So right here we don't have any multiplication sign, I don't see any of those, so we don't have multiplication sign, but we have this division sign. But we applied this division sign only to these two values in the middle. So right here we find our first step, this is division. And if we go a little bit further, right here we have addition and subtraction group, and if you scan our question, we don't have addition, we have two subtraction signs. So we don't have addition sign, we have subtraction sign. And if you look closely, if parenthesis has the highest priority, then addition and subtraction the lowest priority. So we can easily say that division had the higher priority than subtraction. So this is our first step to divide, and the second step is to subtract. Okay, let's do this. So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 6 equal to, let's write as a fraction 1/3. Okay, so let's do this. Let's write as a fraction 1/3 and minus 2. Okay, seems pretty basic right now. We have very simple subtraction, so we complete this step with division right here. So right now we have, in conclusion, we have our subtraction step. So let's do this. So we have 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So we have, looks like 4 minus 1/3. And if you subtract it, it looks like 12/3 minus 1/3 equal to 11 over 3. Okay, let's look at it. We have this option. This is option C. So right now maybe the main question, what is the correct answer? This one with this approach according to PIMDMC, or this one, our randomly approach, so we solve this question wherever we want. And if you look closely, correct answer of course will be 11 over 3, because we solved it according to a correct order of operation. If you're talking about this option 1, most students solve this question like that, because this is obvious solution in their way, because they start from left to right, they know that we should go from left to right, but they don't know about order of operation, and they don't know maybe the main rule that subtraction is all the time after division, so multiplication division group is all the time before addition and subtraction. So we should evaluate multiplication division and then addition and subtraction, of course without parentheses. Yeah, so addition and subtraction is after multiplication and division. With parentheses this question will be okay, because we should start from these parentheses. We have 6 minus 2 and 6 minus 2 right here. Then subtraction will have the higher priority than division, because this is inside parentheses. Parentheses is our first step. So correct answer to our challenge is option C. Let's write our answer. This is option C. So thank you for your time, have a great day. I hope you understand this explanation. If you want to learn basic math or interested in brain test, if you're struggling with basic math or like pre-algebra concept, subscribe to my channel, I have a ton of videos. So with that being said, wish you all the best and see you in the next videos.